I'm a friend. If you're interested in trading, especially Forex crypto, and you are looking for some profitable solutions for those markets and how to generate maximum profit with the lowest risk, this video and especially all this channel is special for you, because here we are talking about profitable solution, different type of profitable solutions. I'm showing my own experience of investment, of creating some trading bots. I'm trying to explain you what is the real results and to which results we can trust and to what kind of results we cannot trust. So we're not talking about some lifestyle. Here we are more about technical things that in the end will really help us to generate a good profit in this field. Today we are talking about very popular topic in my channel. It's MQL5 website, signals from MQL5 website. Why I recommend you to use them? It's really trustable website with the real proof results. And nowadays in our field, in Forex crypto, it's very hard to find something that's really proof. And if we are talking about MQL5 website, I think for the Forex market, this is the best solutions for your investment or for your trading. We can see there a lot of very good and strong results, but still you need to have some knowledge and skill how to understand and identify which one is the best to what type of the trading system, trading algorithm we can trust and invest our own money. So this is our new month's new video. It will be a little bit different in comparison to previous, because of course I will show you my own recommendation, but I want to also check with you maybe top 5 or top 10 the most popular signals providers among subscribers, because there is not so easy to understand and it is not really good results in the end, because every time you are sending me those type of the signals and ask my own opinion, please check what do you think about that one, what do you think about this one. So in this video I will try to check the most popular signals among the subscribers. I'll show you my own recommendation. I will prove why my recommendation is very nice, and if you are interested to have the same results like I have, message me and I'll help you to open and to come to this world of the profitable investment in the Forex market. So let's start. Let's go to my laptop and I'll show you more. If you are new in this channel, I recommend you to start from top 3 best Forex signals providers. I made this video on February. And the second video I need to mention you that I highly recommend to check is from June. This is my choice from last month. If you will move to video best Forex signals from the June, where I was mentioning what type of signals I was using in the June, I was using these 2 signals. First of all, it's calling CNHN. So this is Chinese guy, and I was using those signals starting from February. From February, I was using this signal. It's like this one is Nakasas, and previous months I was subscribed also to his another signal. And their result from the previous months is fantastic. So this signal closed this month from plus 17%. I think it's very unique and very great results. And another like signal, his Nasakas, the trading with a little bit higher trading volume, closed plus 12%. That also wow. And one more thing, if you will see the signals FX Calibra that I was recommending in February, but I need to mention that I was not using this signal previous months. I give him some time to prove that he's really not. He also closed June plus 11%. So all those 3 signals that I'm using them for a long time, that prove themselves. And if we're talking about recommendation for the next months, I think it's my 3 recommendation, and I really will work with them for the next month. So one more time, and this one is CNHN, the second one is Nasakas, and the third one is FX Calibra OC. How I'm working? I'm creating some portfolio. I'm calculating what is the risk of each. I have some special software that allow me to use all of them in one account, because in MQL5 website you are able to subscribe only one signal to one account. If you want to work in the same way like I'm doing, you can easily get those signals for free and enjoy using them on your own account together, like 3 signals. Because if we are talking about smaller amounts like $1,000, as you know, my account is $30,000. If we're talking about small account. Of course, it's difficult to use 3 signals providers at one account, approximately like $1,000, because you need to pay $30 of each, you know. You need to pay $90 at all, and it's meaning it's 9% of your deposit. It's a lot, you know. So in that case, you can easily deal with me if your deposit like minimum is $1,000. So this is my recommendation for the next month. If we're talking about upsets, I was also recommending in the June, I was also recommending to pay attention on 2 accounts, triangle line. I was not sure about that signal, but I was thinking to try for the few days. And to be honest, like when I posted one video, there was one guy and he messaged that he's don't understand exactly why I choose this signal, and he was totally right. When I started using this signal on my like own account, I was using it only for the 3 days. I saw, yes, that he is trading. You see, he is trading with the averaging style of risk management. Of course, I'm not into that minus right now, as you can see, because right now this guy, he's in big minus. Right now he is holding position as his account balance is $700. He closed previous months like 11%, just May minus 11, June minus 12, and right now he is holding position for minus $156. So this signal was not the best for the trading, but still, as I didn't recommending it at all, and I was test, this is my own money, I can test whatever I want. I was not providing this type of signal for my clients. I tested for the 3-4 days. I decided he's not good and I canceled this subscription. Another one also that upset me a little bit, it was this one, FRV somewhat. Why I choose this signal? Because as all those signals at May, there was minus, Nasdaq was also minus, and CNHN closed also minus May. This guy, like also night type trading strategy, he closed May at plus of 7%, and by checking his own deals, I decided it might be great for diversification. But when he started trading, it was also very weird type of trading. I was sticking with him approximately 8-10 days, and he made for me minus like 8%. You see, he closed minus even in bigger percentages, and I decided to cancel him. They made me minus totally like 12 or 13%, but those two, they were covered this risk of the previous one, because one more time will remind you that Nasdaq made plus 12 and CHHN, he made good results, 17%. But I need to mention one more thing. If you are using trading with those type of the signals providers, it's very important to have a good spread account with the low spread. Of course, highly recommend you to watch my previous vlog type of style video about how to choose the good forex broker company, because it's really very important in your trading to trade not only with the broker company with the lowest spread, but this company at the same time must to be regulated with another thing that of course I mentioned in this video, so please watch this video. I opened one more account with $400 with the higher spread, especially to test how it's working, and result unfortunately was not the best. So let me tell you the example. If this guy, he made in the end of this month 17%, in that account it was trading approximately plus 2%. That is nothing, you know. So you pay a lot to the broker company, and because of the higher spreads, it's like charge all your profit. So that's why you need to pay attention on the spreads. Also, if you need some support and help in searching good quality forex broker company, I have some companies like that. And yeah, you need to trade with the really good regulated forex broker company with the low spread in the same time, because if you want to copy those signals and your spreads will be high, you will be in the months. Even you need to calculate the commission, because guys, sometimes broker putting like a low spread but commission of $10, and when you will put like in the summary, you will add spreads plus commission plus swap, because those type of trading system, they're trading mostly at night and a lot of the times it's transferring position, you are losing a lot. So in that case, I have some solution. If you are interested, let me know about this type of signals. A lot of the people, how they are working, they are choosing all those signals by one criteria. They are going to MT4 section, because still people using MT4, and they are choosing this criteria, popular among subscribers. But this type of the like a strategy of choosing systems, it's not right at all. You know my opinion, what type of signals providers I will never choose for myself and I will never recommend to any client. This is calling martingale of averaging style of the trading system without any stop loss. And one of the most popular signals in this one, I was even creating one more video, it's calling northeast way. How we can recognize that this trading system using martingale? What is the problem? People mostly what they are doing, they are checking percentages, like 7,000 percentages. Wow, it's huge. They are checking maximum drawdown. It's also huge in that option, but still they are not even understanding this area. They are watching, wow, all blue, he is trading every month in plus. But these 7,000 percentages, it's mostly for the marketing, and you can see the yearly percentages was not even close like that. So from 2021, 89% of profit. It's okay, but it's not like big percentages. Of course, like previous 3 years was very nice, but everything depends on the trading strategy. So how we can recognize that this guy is using martingale or the averaging system of risk management and he is trading without stop loss? First of all, we can go to the equity. There is two lines, one of them is blue, one of them is green. Blue, it's balanced in the same time, and when it's green going down, it's meaning he is holding position, not closing them. And you can see in this example, balance $47,000, equity and that period of time was 36. You see, he has some big drawdown in that area. Balance $72,000 and the equity $59,000. So he was holding position with the minus around $12,000. And you can imagine how much people that were subscribed to this signal with the less trading volume, how much of them were losing their money. Then if we'll go to the trading history in the column of the stop loss, if we will not be able to see the stop loss, it means that he is not putting stop loss. Again, if we will check his type of trading, dollar Canadian dollar 0.12, 0.31, 0.78, he's multiplying position, and if it will be hard trend in the market, you will be able to lose all your amount. So you need to understand one thing. If you want to try this signal, you can do, like, no problem, but you need to understand, in July this guy made 6%, but you risk 100%. Not 46, but 100%, because possibility of losing all your capital is very high. In the January, he made 1.74%, but you risk 100%. So every time when you are using those type of trading systems, they are 100% of risk. Okay, let's move forward. One more signal. It calling cut trader. Let me check his style of the trading strategy. Yeah, as usual, he trading one currency pair and without stop loss, and he is using averaging. This is not a multiplying, there is no like multiplying, but he is using averaging. I also don't like this type of strategies where some people is depositing money and withdrawing. Mostly what they are doing when the situation going in the negative way and when the price is going down, they starting depositing some money not to give chance to make a big drawdown in percentages. So people might think that, yeah, he's drawdown only 9%, but because I'm not sure about this signal, but I saw a lot of like that. You see, they are depositing money, and when situation is better, they starting to withdrawing. Manipulation with those type of operation is big, because deposit 51,000, withdrawal 46,000. So he is like cheating, you know, in that case, and playing around the numbers. But why people subscribing to those type of the trading systems? Because they are not looking inside the signal. They are not paying attention on that. They are watching, okay, profit nice, maximum drawdown is low, let me start. Sometimes I'm asking question why people choosing those signals. I don't understand it, you know. As I was showing you this Nasdaq this trading with every time with the stop loss and making way better result than this guy, also like higher deposit. What was, you see, the balance was 3,000 euros and the equity was 1,980. He was holding a position for a long time, so still he's putting stop loss, but stop loss is very, very high. And as you can see, result is clearly like that. 0.005. Yes, he's putting some averaging, not huge, but still he is using some averaging. And let us check one more type of the signal, 800 percentages, but as you can see, equity is the same. So how you can identify that it's using martingale? First point that you need, that will help you to understand difference between the balance and between the equity. Balance $300, equity was only $139. Trading history, some position with the stop loss, another without stop loss. He is using some multiplying, not like fully martingale, 001, 002, 003, and trading gold. By the way, people like crazy about gold. Some guys, I don't remember if I mentioned you that, but one guy contacted me, I want to trade gold. I tell him, okay, what is your target? Because I don't have solutions for you that will trade gold. What is your target? You want to make profit, correct? Profit with low risk, correct? Okay, but why do you like to trade gold? Yeah, I want to trade gold. But you lost money because of the gold. You were trading manually, you lost a lot of the money because of gold. No, I want to trade gold. So this is it. Sometimes it's very hard to understand, first of all, for me, why people making this type of choice. But it's up to them. Everyone is decision maker, you know, and I'm giving you my own opinion. I'm giving you my own recommendation and solution. I think that I test by myself and I really think they are profitable. They are proof they result on the real history, you know, on the real accounts, but final decision, of course, you can do by yourself. So guys, I show you 3 amazing signals providers that trading in plus. I show you that those type of the most popular signals provider among the subscribers is not the best at all. Right now you have the clear understanding how you can identify trading bots that are using martingales. Thank you for watching this video, and final decision, of course, you need to do by yourself. If you're interested and if you want to have the same trading solution on your account, I will leave my contact details description to this video. So please message me. I'll share with you all those details and you will be surprised how this Forex market might be profitable in consistent basis. So see you guys in our next videos.